Hi guys, welcome to my channel Fun with Fundamentals. In today's video of Can You Solve It? We have another question related to the topic of profit and loss. So let's get started. The question is, two articles are sold at the same selling price of 5,000 each. If the shopkeeper makes a profit of 10% on one article and a loss of 5% on another, find the net profit or loss on the whole transaction. The options are A. 41 by 80% profit, B. 81 by 40% loss, C. 14 by 81% profit, and D. 80 by 41% loss. So, can you solve it? Pause the video if you are attempting the question. Assuming you are done with your attempt, let us look at the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, 80 by 41% profit. Let me explain the solution. Take a look at the statement and formula shown in the video. It says, when two articles are sold at the same selling price, getting profit or loss of X% on one article and profit or loss of Y% on another article, then net percentage profit or loss is given by 100 into X plus Y plus 2XY divided by 100 plus X plus 100 plus Y percent. Percentage profit is taken as positive and percentage loss is taken as negative. For our problem, X is equal to 10 and Y is equal to minus 5. Substituting these values in our formula, we get our final answer as 80 by 41% profit. But as you know, memorizing such a formula and recalling it perfectly in exams is a difficult task. So I have another explanation for you that doesn't require such a formula. We know how to calculate percentage profit or percentage loss if cost price and selling price are given. As you can see in the video, percentage profit is equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100 and percentage loss is equal to CP minus SP upon CP into 100. From both of these formulae, we can get an expression for the value of cost price as CP is equal to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus percentage profit and CP is equal to 100 into SP divided by 100 minus percentage loss. In this formula, we substitute our values for SP, percentage profit and percentage loss and calculate the cost price for our two articles. Thus, cost price of article with 10% profit comes out to be Rs 4545.45 and cost price of article with 5% loss comes out to be Rs 5263.16. Adding these two values gives us the overall cost price as Rs 9808.61. Furthermore, we know the overall selling price of two articles as Rs 10,000. Thus, as SP is greater than CP, we have a profit of Rs 191.39. Calculating percentage profit for this value of profit and 9808.61 as cost price finally gives us our answer as 1.9512% or 80.41% net profit. Another way of solving this problem is by elimination of incorrect options. As you can see, we have 10% profit on one item and 5% loss on another item. Thus, we can safely say that we will have overall net profit for the entire transaction as selling price on both the items is the same. If we subtract 5% loss from 10% profit, we will get 5% profit and dividing it by 2 for the total items sold will give us 2.5% profit. The above method just gives us approximate range where our final answer will be present. Of all the options present, only 80 by 41 is near 2.5 as 80 by 41 is approximately equal to 1.9512. Thus, we can safely say that our final answer will be option D, 80 by 41%. This method may not be applicable in cases where options are close to each other in terms of value. Solving many problems using this method will help you judge when you should use the method of elimination. I hope you understood all the explanations. Many times in exam, it is better to use methods that don't require a specific formula, as we can get the formula wrong or waste too much time recalling it and second guessing our answer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe and have a great day.